lots of room on the train if you want to take a nice leisurely trip up along the Ponderay River, across the Trestle Box Canyon Dam and on into Medellin Falls and back. The trip takes about an hour and a half. On over to the depot, they'll pick you up with a ticket. The adult tickets are $10 today with reduced rates for children and seniors.
All of us. Us and our car.
Once again, I want to tell you that you're welcome to bring your picnic basket or cooler along. Don't forget your camera. There's a lot of good photo opportunities on up the line.
Everyone wave to our staff from the train depot in Ione, Washington. Welcome to the North Ponderay Valley Lions Club train. We'd like to inform you at this time that there is a no smoking rule on the train. We're leaving Ione and we're heading to Medellin Falls, where the engines will be moved to the rear of the train and then we will return to Ione. Wave to our family down here to the right. They're out there for every train. So wave us on. Also back at the depot there are a number of souvenirs available and of course food. There's a number of apple trees that you'll be seeing. Johnny Appleseed. Johnny. Now the railroad from Ione to Medellin Falls was built around 1910, which is about the time that the cement plant was being built up in Medellin Falls. That was about the time the town of Medellin Falls was platted. Let me give you a little brief history on the Ponderay Valley Lions Club excursion train. This train ride began in 1981 at the suggestion of our Lion Red Sergeant, who operated the line for the Kyle Railroad. The first ride featured a single flat car outfitted with a chicken wire fence and wooden benches for seating. Although it was rather rustic, the ride was a hit, and the Lions Club adopted it as its annual fundraising project. In 1984, a cattle car was loaned to the club by the Historical Society in Spokane, and subsequent successful train rides seasons have enabled our club to purchase a coach car, 2 open cars, and a caboose. We're coming up on the Box Canyon Trestle here pretty soon. This was constructed in 1910. It's 475 feet long and approximately 160 feet above the water. As we head north here, we'll be stopping on the trestle. To the right is Box Canyon. Now another other dam that offers tours during the summer between Memorial Day and Labor Day is Boundary Dam. It's owned and operated by Seattle City Light, provides roughly half of the power needed by those folks living and working in the city of Seattle. The generators of Boundary Dam are actually located inside a large room that was carved inside of a rock mountain. Now, Boundary Dam is reached by taking the Boundary Dam Road just north of the town of Medellin. Boundary Dam, there's a campground, a boat launch, and a swimming pool available behind the dam for use of the public. We are coming up off the Vale Tunnel. This tunnel is 810 feet long, and it gets quite dark inside. Now, some folks refer to this as the Tunnel of Love. It's a great opportunity for stealing a kiss from that someone special. On the west side of the river, to the train's left, is Medellin. It's the oldest town in Monterey County. However, it was not incorporated until 1948. It was established in 1865. It was a mining town. It was a thriving town while the Civil War was still raging in the east. The year they incorporated was also the year that they battled a devastating flood. And the water does get quite high, often on that side. If you'd like to take advantage, they have a lovely city park with a boat launch and a couple of large pavilions, restrooms, and children's playing equipment. And you can see that coming up on the north end of the town of Medellin. What do we hear? It looks like we may be taking on some additional passengers. Oh my gosh. Looks like a group of senior citizens. Maybe they want to ride into town? Uh-oh, my mistake, folks. It isn't a kindly group of seniors. It's the Cutter Gang. Boy, they're the orneriest bunch of desperados in North Country. Whoa.
Being held up. You want a picture of that?